Welcome to the second video in the IoT in Practice workshop. In the previous part we covered the theory and today we start building our IoT system. Our first task is to bring the Raspberry Pi to the live and configure it to act as our server. Let's get started. The first step is downloading the official tool, the Raspberry Pi Imager. Go to the website, download the version for your operating system and install it. Connect the SD card where we will install the system to your computer. After launching the program, select your Raspberry Pi model and choose the operating system you want to install. I choose the 64-bit Lite version because it doesn't have a desktop environment, which means it takes up much less space. Select the storage device where you want to install the system, that is your memory card, and click Next. Click on Edit Settings to change a few of the default configurations. The hostname is the name of your Raspberry Pi. It's worth setting this up so we won't have to search for the Pi's IP address later when we want to connect to it. We will use the username and password to log into the system. Set the Wi-Fi network name and password. This can even be a hotspot from your smartphone. Also check the Enable SSH option so we can connect to the Raspberry Pi remotely. Click Yes, confirm with Yes, and the system installation process will begin. This may take up to several minutes. Once the installation process is complete, insert the SD card into the Raspberry Pi and connect it to the power. If you are wondering how professionals create electronics without chaos and with maximum collaboration, the answer is IoT Develop. Imagine an environment where you eliminate the problem of manually emailing files to others, such as mechanical engineer for PCB verification, and start working in real time in one cloud. IoT Develop is an advanced professional central hub that integrates the PCB design tool with the broader ecosystem. With it you can forget about the frustration and delays that come from constantly losing context and having to manually track corrections. Open the terminal and connect the Raspberry Pi by typing the command ssh username add hostname.local. If it doesn't connect immediately, make sure your computer is on the same network as the Pi and try again in a moment, as the first full boot up can take a few minutes. Type yes because we trust this device, enter the password, and we are connected to our server. Let's make sure everything is working. List the contents of the current directory, check the path of the folder we are in, check the configuration. Everything looks good. There is one last thing left to do, a system update. Type the command sudo apt update to download available updates and then sudo apt upgrade to install them. If you want to turn off the Raspberry Pi, use the command sudo shutdown now.